Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix can't install WhatsApp Messenger error. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So for this issue, I have prepared a few methods that we can try. First is check this device storage, and this way we can avoid any issues with the app if the device has still some storage. And if your device has still much storage, then it's probably not the issue. So the next method is to clear cache. So just long press the WhatsApp application and tap on this icon. And then tap on clear cache. And as you can see, there's no cache to clear since I have already cleared mine. So now let's proceed to the next method. And it is to restart your device. And if the issue still persists, then try to check your internet connection. It may be the cause of the issue. So make sure your Wi-Fi or data is stable. And now for the last method is to update your application. So open Playstore, then search for WhatsApp. And just click on update to update the app. That way your application will be up to date and is ready and smooth with no issues at all. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!